When most people talk about technology, they're talking about electronic tools. But the notion of technology is much broader than that. If we think about technology in a very basic term, as an application of tools and techniques to extend the limits of self in solving problems, we start to see how broad the category can be. Technology can be all the tools, machines, utensils, weapons, instruments, housing, clothing, communicating, and transporting devices, and the skills by which we produce those items. But this definition doesn't mean that everything and anything counts as technology. We're referring here to devices that mediate and construct the relationship between the person and the world. With the point about the importance of meanings, we consider several ICT-oriented developments in the workplace. These are algorithmic management, mobile communication, and knowledge management. Across them, we show that these technologies may make work look different and occur in different locations, but they reinforce themes categorizing work in the workplace. In the simplest terms, a platform is a digital infrastructure that enables two or more groups to interact. Platforms bring us into the era of big data. Algorithms are the rules that specify operations to find trends in data. They can learn from patterns as well as make decisions and predict the future. When organizations can represent employees' activity, behaviors, interactions, and outputs digitally, they seek ways of making sense of all those representations. This is where analytics comes in, since it refers to computerized techniques, including the algorithms mentioned above, to uncover and interpret meaningful patterns in data. One of the most attractive features of ICTs is that they allow us to overcome limitations on time and space. A final form of work influenced by ICTs is what's become known as knowledge work.